Anyone can call themselves a data engineer, but very few can conquer the gauntlet. 3 brutal challenges. 1 chance to prove that you belong. Let's see what you've got. Here's how it works. 3 challenges, all pulled from real-world data engineering problems, all designed to push you to your limit and take your skills right to the edge. Solve them. Drop your answers in the comments and earn your place on the Wall of Champions. You've got this huge transaction table, billions of records. Find the top-selling product in each category for Q1 2024. No subqueries allowed. Performance matters. How would you write it? Your product catalog changes price over time. Business needs history and the current view, cleanly, reliably. Design the table structure that captures these changes. Bonus points if you can sketch what columns you would use. Daily order files keep flooding your pipeline, but full reloads are extremely expensive. You need to ingest only new or updated orders. Fast, clean, and reliable. Describe your incremental load strategy down below. And how would you handle late arriving or missing files? Be sure you drop your answers below. Survivors will be named and honored. Best answer wins this week's title, Gauntlet Champion. Ready your mind, ready your code. Let's see what you are made of. Next week, it's going to get even tougher. I'll give you a hint. Schema drift, adaptive pipelines. Do you think you're ready?